So I'm pushing everything, right? Prop firms and my own capital, right? With the broker exness, which I recommend. Click the first link on my description down below and start trading with the best broker in South Africa. So why am I pushing both of them, brokers and prop firm? Listen, before I can talk more about it, I will make another video. But now I want to show you about this trade that I took on Friday. I was going 0.05 lot on a Nasdaq H4 time frame, so I was risking like as little as $5, targeting that $20. Even though I knew that I should like target like $15, but the setup was too good for me to target $20 because I saw this double bottom and then I had this pullback. Then I entered long at 21,200, so I had to set and forget. But after coming back after like 24 hours, this is what I get. This is what I get, like $12 profit. But it doesn't end there because like I see the trend still going. Still I see the trend still going, and I believe that the trend started to. I mean, I was profitable on this trade because of the CPI this week on Nasdaq or the US dollar pairs. The CPI was affecting the dollar, so my time frame is 4 hour daily time frame, weekly time frame, and monthly time frame. But like the first thing that I do when I do my top down analysis is to start from the weekly time frame, and then I go to the the daily time frame, and then I will take my entries from the 4 hour time frame because I don't like the noise that I see on the small time frame, like 5 minute and the 15 minutes time frame. But if you prefer those, I won't go against you. But make sure you click on the link on my description and start trading with the best broker Xness, which I recommend for new beginner traders. Okay, so you can see there I have these red lines on my chart, which is my support and resistance. It's too much. Let me delete some of this so that my chart will be clean and clear, straightforward, simple as that. So um, I've been taking losses. You know, days are not the same. Sometimes you're gonna take losses and then you're gonna end up with profit. But if your losses are smaller than your profits, then you're gonna stay in the game because the goal is to stay in the game. Um, but I'm not happy for the. I mean, I'm happy for the small wins, but like the trend is still going. I don't know, but because now is the weekend, what should I do next week? It's either I close or I hold for more profits, but we'll see how it opens. Maybe with a gap and break that 21,500 and goes all the way straight to 22,000. But we'll see how Nasdaq behave. I'm sure US 30 and SP 500 is behaving the same way, the same market structure. But if you can look on the daily time frame, we have the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We were in the downtrend before the CPI, and then CPI candlestick you can see there, which is bouncing on the 21 moving average, which is the simple moving average. We had the CPI data, which moved the Nasdaq, I guess, like almost 2% in a day. So but anyways, I just wanted to share the trade and talk more about brokers, not only about pro firms, because the only brokers that I recommend in South Africa is Exness, RCG, and XM, and Vault Market. Because on Exness you get your withdrawals in less than 10 minutes, they get processed in less than 2 minutes, so in less than 4 minutes. So that's how it works with brokers. But with pro firms it's a different language. Maybe you get your profit within 10 days, no, I mean 2 days, 48 hours, and it depends. But the pro firm that I recommend, it's E8 Markets, Alpha Capital Group, and Equity Edge.